Oh, he showed you? Yeah. He said this is how What's up? He said this is how it goes. That's cool, though. Good for him, right?
How many spots you holding? One?
Well, I guess two now.
We're holding the spot. One.
You holding how many? How many you
Three.
holding?
1, 2, 3. That's what I'm holding there.
Oh no! We put this one here for my buddy.
All right, so put that one.
We'll put it back here.
Here, just in case you need more.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. I wasn't sure how anything.
Yeah. Come on back. Grab that thing like